Could StimmysCheck.com be the secret key to unlocking your unclaimed stimulus funds, or is it just another trap designed to lure in desperate users with false hope? In today's video, we dive deep into the claims made by StimmysCheck.com, a website that promises to help you locate forgotten stimulus payments. On the surface, it looks like a helpful tool, but once we examined it closely, a number of red flags began to appear. First, the domain itself was only registered in May 2025. Which is unusually recent for a site claiming to offer such a crucial public service. There's no verifiable About Us page, no official business name, and zero transparency about who's actually running the platform. Even more concerning are the frequent redirects to unrelated third-party pages, which often feel clickbaity and potentially risky. The website also tries to mimic government language and formatting, but there's no actual affiliation with any official U.S. government agency, just claims without proof. While the homepage is filled with glowing user testimonials, we found no mention of the site on Trustpilot, CityJabber, or any other major review platform, which makes those positive reviews seem questionable at best. We didn't encounter outright scams like malware or phishing during our visit, but the overall lack of credibility and suspicious design choices make it hard to trust. So, while it's not definitively a scam, it certainly doesn't pass as a reliable or professional service. Either approach with caution and don't share sensitive info, unless it's through verified government sources.